Now, observing your hibiscus, how many petals does this hibiscus have? Hibiscus has 5 petals. So, okay, once you're done with your oval, then let's divide this oval into 5 parts. So, first, complete your oval. Okay, now, next step is to divide this oval into 5 parts. So, for that, point a center of your oval. Just point it like this. It is your center of your oval. Point it. And then divide this oval into 5 parts. So one will be of this eye and another one. Look, you need not have to, the line need not have to be a straight line. It can be curved line like this, dividing into 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now look at the pattern. So it's not in it doesn't have this edge like sharp edges, right? It is all circle edges, and also the petals are in a curvy manner. Look, this is not straight, it's curvy, wavy type. Every petal has the same structure, wavy pattern it has, and also not a cut edges. It has a blunt, like rounded edges. So let's make in our paper the same way. So round petals. So for that, look here. So I'm going to go a bit with circular manner like this. Okay, and then creating wavy structures on here on the edges. The rest everything remains the same. Moving on to the next petal. So make your line slightly look like this. And then you can also give such endings where one petal is behind the other. So this is folded. Imagine this is folded and it will get in such patterns like this. These are all the foldings of your petals. Okay, I'll proceed with the stem or stalk of your hibiscus. Just double lines, okay, or single lines. Later, however, we will paint that stalk with the paintbrush. So it's enough if you draw one single line. So that stalk will come from here. So one will be from here. Okay, stem or whatever you call stalk or stem. So like this. And another one will be over here. So from this middle of your hibiscus, it will come all along like this, and it will just join here. Okay, one straight line is enough. Okay, so now once you're done with the stem, let's draw leaf to it. Okay, you can draw leaf, curve leaf, or circle leaf. We need to now first we'll just outline the shape of the leaf and then adjust the required shape. Okay, so for outlining one stalk, just do this one stalk. Okay, then from here you need to draw your leaf, one curve line and another curve line. I'm going to go with this and then cut here and then again here, cutting this edge and joining, and again cutting here and then joining. If you find this difficult, you can just draw one leaf. Okay,